This whole week it's been in the mid-90s, and every day around the same time it just starts pouring down rain. My TV loses reception. I can't do anything outside because it's raining. My neighbor did get his tree picked up off the porch there. With my mom being in Arizona this week, the cat is like depressed and hiding and not eating, all that great stuff. So I've been trying to take care of him. It seems like he spends all day right under me, under the RV. If I'm out there in the yard doing work on the RV or on my tracker or whatever, he comes running out and just rubs all over my feet. And then as soon as I come back in, even if it's just to go to the bathroom or whatever, he's right back underneath. Right now I can't find him at all, but he has not eaten wet food since she's been gone. She'll be back Saturday, so hopefully he'll get back to, he's eating dry food, so that's good. It's actually better for them to eat the dry food, but hopefully things get better when she gets back. I hope he starts eating at least a little bit of wet food for a little bit of variety and probably different nutrients that are in them. He's been acting really weird. So last night he was out here. Two raccoons came up, and he was underneath the camper. Well, that's where the raccoons usually walk under. He wasn't having any of that. He had this really weird, like, whining, growling sound, and he just kept staring at him, and he did every once in a while, like, try to attack him. I'm like, dude, don't mess with those raccoons. They could probably, like, well, I don't know, I'm sure they could probably beat up a cat, kill a cat. So I'm just checking in because it's been a boring week with this weather. There's people who lost power on Tuesday during a storm, or sorry, Monday during the storm. Today's Thursday, so on Monday during a storm, they won't even have their lights on until this Sunday, the power company said. So must have been some pretty bad stuff going on. Wasn't too bad around here compared to what they all got. We did have some trees come down. Not here, but next door, and then three doors up. And there were branches all through the neighborhood, but no, like, significant damage. Besides my next door neighbor with the tree that fell onto his deck. That's about it. Here goes the thunder. So thunder and winds and rain, that's usually about 5 o'clock till 6:30, 7 o'clock. And then it just stops and it drops. It's nice though, because when it stops, the temperature goes from mid-90s down to mid-70s. Now if we were to do the same thing at noon and be done at 2, it would be like a sauna outside. It would be so muggy and nasty. But at the end of the day, it's a lot better. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but that was every time we get a storm, we get the fire whistles. No, it's not tornado sirens either. This time, it's a vegetation fire right across the river. Woo, it's Friday, it's warm out here. Man. So, hey buddy. You've been looking for me. No, all alone. Hi buddy. So anyway, buddy, I got to get through here. My mom's car we took down to the shop, get the new exhaust put on, and get it inspected, Pennsylvania inspection emissions. And it's done now. She's in Arizona, so I'm going to take the e-bike down. If I do this right, should be able to fold the e-bike up, and hopefully it fits in her trunk. Just to be safe, though, I am going to bring a strap in case I have to strap her trunk closed onto the bike. Come on, buddy. Doesn't want me walking. Anyway, so I'm gonna ride the bike. It's a few miles, and if it fits in the trunk, great. If not, I'll leave the bike there. I'll come back up, drop the car off, get the tracker, take the tracker down, and put the bike in there because I know it'll fit in there. So here goes. Funky drive. Well, it's not looking too promising for the bike to fit in there. Well, that's going to have to work. Well, she didn't cut my hair very short, did she? Okay. So on the way down, I don't know if I'm going to get anything uploaded from that. I tried to record some. But as soon as I got off the street, got on the main road, I was doing over 30 mile an hour. And the speed limit is 35, but then it drops to 25, and there's a road that comes off there. Holy heck, we're going this way. When the speed limit changed down from 35 to 25, I was still doing over 30, and the guy pulls out right in front, or a woman pulls out right in front of me. People love to pull out in front of me. Lights on, everything. People still love to pull out right in front of me. So I think I had to stop recording around that point because I had to use both brakes to slow down. And they proceeded to go like 15, 20 mile an hour, whatever they were doing, down the road. Then I get into town, and there's just a ton of traffic. So then I get down to the town, and my bike, for some reason, sometimes when I start going above the allowed speed of the bike, whenever I slow down back to, oh my gosh, all her lights are on. Whenever I slow down to stop or less than 10 miles an hour, and then I hit the throttle, it only goes up to about 15. It won't go any higher. So I have to restart the bike. And I was on the boulevard, which is single lane coming each way and parking on both sides, and people fly through there. But I was kind of stuck. There was nowhere for me to hop onto a sidewalk or anything. And so I reset it there, and I got it back. But because that reset, I just missed the red light, or light just turned red, so I had to stop there. And then the rest of the way in wasn't so bad until I get into Oakmont, and that road was just so bumpy. So I might not have got any of that footage. That's this road I'm on now. You can see it's red brick. And it actually, when you got four wheels, it's okay. On two wheels, it's really difficult. Even on four, it's hard to see them, but like there's a huge dip right on each side. I'm going to go in right now. But I got the car and there's air conditioning, so I'm happy.